The latest leaked images of the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra are generating excitement among enthusiasts, suggesting a potential January 2024 release that could make it the best S Pen phone in years, if not ever. Looking back at my experience with the Galaxy Note 10, my last S Pen device, I appreciated its overall functionality but found the curved edge display less than ideal. While the curved design added a sleek aesthetic, it made the phone slippery and negatively impacted the S Pen experience. In my view, the Galaxy Note 10 prioritized style over function, especially considering the challenging combination of a precision input tool like the S Pen and a curved screen. Even though the Galaxy Note series was discontinued after the Note 20, the spirit of the S Pen lives on in the Galaxy S Ultra series. The Galaxy S23 Ultra made progress by featuring a nearly flat screen, reminiscent of the base Galaxy Note 20. However, leaks suggest that the Galaxy S24 Ultra is set to go a step further by completely abandoning the edge display. This shift to a flat screen design on the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to significantly enhance the S Pen experience, addressing concerns about the stylus slipping over curved edges. As someone who appreciates flat screens, based on my experience with the Galaxy S22 Plus, I can attest to the potential benefits of pairing the S Pen with such a display. While it remains to be seen if the Galaxy S24 Ultra will bring additional S Pen improvements, such as higher accuracy or lower latency, the prospect of using the accessory seamlessly across the entire flat display is already a significant advantage for S Pen enthusiasts. Although I've adjusted to not having an S Pen on the Galaxy S22 Plus, the leaked information has sparked my interest. If I were to reintegrate the S Pen into my smartphone routine, the Galaxy S24 Ultra seems like a compelling option based on the current details.